Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Football Manager. First, select a club that aligns with your managerial ambitions, perhaps one with a solid foundation or a clear path for growth. Take time to analyze your current squad, identify key players, potential weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Then, begin crafting your tactical approach, ensuring it complements your players' skills and the club's philosophy. This initial setup is crucial for long-term success and will guide your decisions throughout the season. Once your club is chosen, focus on refining your tactics. It's wise to have a main formation and at least 2 backup plans for different opponents or match situations. Customize your training sessions to target specific player development, like improving a striker's finishing or a defender's tackling. Remember, your assistant manager can be a valuable asset. Delegate some training duties to them, freeing up your time for other important tasks and ensuring a balanced workload for your staff. Building a strong squad involves smart transfers. Pinpoint the positions where your team lacks depth or quality. Deploy your scouting network effectively to unearth hidden gems or establish stars who fit your tactical vision and club culture. When negotiating, be shrewd with transfer fees and player wages. Aim for value, ensuring any new signing enhances the team without jeopardizing your financial stability. A well-executed transfer window can significantly boost your team's performance. On match day, your decisions are critical. Observe the game closely and be prepared to make tactical adjustments, perhaps changing your formation or player roles if things aren't going to plan. Deliver impactful team talks before and during matches to inspire your players and maintain morale. Beyond the first team, invest in youth development. Send promising youngsters on loan to gain experience, and ensure your youth facilities are top-notch to cultivate future stars for your club.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.